What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome back to Epic Whipz, mate. And today's a special day. Today's an epic day. Damn special. What's so special about today? It's epic, mate. What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome back to Epic Whipz, mate. And today's an epic day. Why? Because we got a package. So, what we got here is some eyelids. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but it doesn't have no 3M on the back, man. It's just straight carbon fiber. So we got our 3M here. Very thin. I don't even know what millimeters this is. Did it say 2 millimeters? Okay, it's 2 millimeters thick. So just gonna put it on the edges, you can say. Get it in there. And then pretty much, well, I can't put it on because the hood is there. But it's gonna go pretty much right there, man. And it's gonna look bloody fantastic, I think. Something like that, right? Well, you'll see when it's done, right? You'll see when it's done. It's gonna be more carbon. So, let's get to it. Alright, cool. So, here we have it. I may have went a bit extensive, but shit. I don't even know if this is gonna work. So, we're gonna try it. I mean, I got a good amount on there, I would say. We're gonna peel it all off and put it on there. All right, so I got it on there. First and foremost, these shits are trash. All right, I got them from China and they're trash. I just want to show you something. This is the other side, and I noticed that boom, we got a crack there. Yeah, it happens. That's what happens when it comes from China. And then getting it on there was a pain. I literally had to use like a blow dryer to hold it on there for the adhesive to like stick on because it's so obtuse. It's ridiculous. Oh yeah, I got it on there as best I can. It looks pretty decent, right? It looks pretty decent. But you get closer, you see little imperfections. Like this shit ain't staying down. That shit ain't staying down, B. So it is what it is. So on this side, this is even worse. Like, look at this shit. Like, seriously. Look at this shit. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. So you have to push it down in there. It's like, I don't know if it had not scratched my carbon fiber, goddammit. So we're gonna try it on this side and see what happens. Yeah, did I forgot to mention that these shits are trash? I would not recommend buying them. If you're gonna buy them, get like the real deal Holyfield ones. Don't get these cheap China shits, cause you're gonna have a pain. I don't know if that's gonna stay down. Like, I don't know if that's gonna stay down right there. That's sketchy for me. Some people probably just glue that shit on, huh? It's a bucket, just glue it on. I might do that right there, just right there. Just might glue it right there. It's like, fuck it. We'll see. We'll see. Piece of shit. Alright. Got the back done. Let's see what we do. So, actually it's looking pretty good. Actually put another little piece in there, push it down some more, hit it with a heat gun. Not a heat gun, but blow dryer, you can say. Push it on there for about 30 seconds, done. This side, I may put something on there. Actually, I think it's pretty fine. I think it's straight right there, the way it is. So, I like how it came out. It looks good. Looks mean. I like it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it because I think the quality is like, you gotta work with it, but I mean, I did a pretty good job with it. You know, to each his own. I'm not recommending it. I personally don't recommend it, but to each his own. If you want to, go for it. I don't know how long it's gonna like stick on there, last on there, but we will see. We will see.